Your brand, your rules, and now, managing them just got easier. Meet Elai's Advanced Brand Kit, built for those juggling multiple brand requirements. Here's what's new and how to use it. With the Advanced Brand Kit, you can now manage multiple brand requirements, apply branding automatically to templates and scenes, share access across your team, all from one centralized place. Let's set it up. Go to the homepage and choose Brand Kit. Click on your brand, upload your logo, choose your brand colors, and set your fonts. That's it. Your branding is ready to streamline video creation. Here's how to apply the Brand Kit to your video. Choose Brand Kit in the My Assets tab in the editor. Click Apply to the video. Elai will instantly apply your logo, colors, and fonts across all scenes, or just the ones you choose. Want to fine-tune? You can place a logo on a specific slide or change the color of an object in one click. Your Brand Kit is shared with everyone in your workspace to keep branding consistent. Capacity depends on your plan. Some include one kit, others allow many. Whether you're scaling or collaborating, Advanced Brand Kit adds structure and polish. Try it now and give your brand a home in Elai.